Hello dear students, data types in Python, sequence types. Second is sequence types. In Python, we have str, list, tuple and range. These four built-in data types for string type of data. So, Python has str, list, tuple and range, four already built-in data types for our string type of data. First is str. This data type represents sequence of characters or strings enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. So, str represents single quoted or double quoted strings or sequence of characters. Examples include name is equal to Anne in single quote and age is equal to 15 in double quote. These are two different strings. Now, list. It represents ordered mutable collection of items enclosed in square brackets. So, list is always written in square brackets. It can store mixed data types and duplicate items. List can store mixed data type means in a single list we can store float, int, string type of data or boolean data all in a single list. List allows us to store different types of data in a single list, and it can contain duplicate items, which means we can write the same name 2 times or 3 times if required, or same number 2 or 3 times. Now, ordered means each and every item of our list has a specific index number, and mutable means changeable. So, after creation of our list, we can change the list, such as we can add a new item, delete a already written item, or we can update any item. So, our list is mutable or changeable, and each and every item is accessed using their numerical index. Examples include for fruits, we have created a list. Apple is a string, mango is another, and grapes. This list contains apple, mango and grapes. This is another list of numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 1 and 3. This list contains duplicate 1s and duplicate 3s. This is an empty list. This is another example of a mixed list which contains an integer, a string, a float and a boolean variable. Now, tuple. Tuple represents ordered immutable collection of items in parentheses. It can also store elements of different data types, and elements of it are accessed using index numbers. So, just like list and tuple, it can also store different types of data or mixed type of data in a single tuple, and these elements are also accessed using their index numbers. So, tuples are also ordered, but tuples are immutable, which means tuples cannot be changed. Once we have created our tuple, we cannot update or add any new item or delete any item from this. Tuples are immutable. Once it's created, it will stay as it is throughout the code. And tuples are always written inside parentheses. Examples include empty tuple. Second is my tuple, which contains mixed type of data. One is our integer data, second is our string high, third is a floating point number 3.14. Then single element tuple 14, then a comma. Always remember this comma. Whenever we create a single element tuple, inside parentheses we write an element and then we end this with a comma. Another is new tuple is equal to 10, 20, 30. Though it is not very popular approach of writing tuples without using any parentheses, but sometimes it is written such as only using comma, but it is also supported and not a fault. Okay. Now, here comes range, the fourth built-in data type in sequence type of data in Python. The range data type in Python represents an immutable sequence of numbers. It is also immutable. It is mainly used for looping a specific number of times in constructs like for loops. So, range is very popular when we are creating for loops in Python. The range function creates this range object. Whenever we call this function range, we create this object of range. Example, for I in range 6, print I. So the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 since all these numbers are less than 6. Thank you.